Hi guys, came back with the kit here. If you see here, I did some advance and some knots, filling the shape with like super simple stitches, and it's looking very nice. So now I'm gonna use this color. It's like a really neon yellow that I love, and I'm gonna do super simple little dots here in this area. There are some in the drawing, there are some little dots here as well, so trying to do that a bit. Okay, just like a dot, really tiny like that, and it pops a lot because it's black. Gonna do just few of these, not so many, not like this one that there are like lots. So I wanna do like less, I think, this time. Oops, what's going on there? Okay, maybe a bit more here. I think I like how it looks. Just a little detail. And also I'm gonna just do here. So I'm just jumping to this other area, and I'm gonna do some here, just random ones like that. Just a little bit more here, one more, and I'm done. I make little knot. So as you see, my bag is a mess. Don't worry about that. You can be more organized than me. So for me, the bags are just a bag, and I think it's interesting, the mess too, and then it's like calm after the mess.